Hello, I am Mr. Kadganji from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. In the last video, we have seen that standard 10th, Maths 2 from that similarity chapter, that is chapter number 1. We have seen in that video, we have seen the ratio of the area of two triangles and the condition first when the height is same and the condition second when base is same. By using that, now we are going to see the practice set 1.1. Here, the question number 1. Base of triangles is 9 and height is 5. The base of the other triangle is 10 and the height is 6. Find the ratio of the area of these triangles. Here B1 is equal to 9, H1 is equal to 5. B2 is equal to 10, H2 is equal to 6. Then ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their base and the corresponding height. By using this, we will solve now. That is ratio of area of triangles is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now put the values. B1 is in 9 into H1 is in 5 upon B2 is in 10 into H2 is in 6. Now do the cancellation. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Here also cancellation is possible. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, area, that is the ratio of area of triangles is equal to, that is 3 1s are 3 upon 2 2s are 4. Now example number 2, in the adjoining figure, BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB. Now BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8, then find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Now here the figure is given, a triangle ABC is there, triangle ABD is there. Now the height is given, that is perpendicular height, BC is 4, AD is 8. The base is a common for this. So solution. Here H1 is equal to 4 and H2 is equal to 8. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to H1 upon H2. Reason, triangles having same base, that is AB, which is equal to H1 is 4 upon H2 is 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, which is equal to 1 upon 2. This is an area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Now example number 3, in the adjoining figure, PS is perpendicular to the RQ and QT is perpendicular to the RP. Here RQ is given, that is 6, PS is given 6 and PR is given 12. Find the QT. Now in this triangle, when PR is in a base, at that time QT is in a corresponding height. Now in the same triangle, that is PRQ, when PS is in a height, at that time RQ is in a base. So now we are going to find the ratio of the areas of the triangle. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, now when you are taking QT as an height, at that time base is an RP into QT upon, now for the same triangle when PS you are taking as an height, at that time RQ into PS. That is, the ratio of the area of the two triangle is equal to the product of their base and the corresponding height. By using that property we are solving this. Now here the triangles are the same, so their ratio is equal to 1, which is equal to RP. RP, it is given, RP is an 12 into QT, that we are going to calculate, upon RQ is an 6 into PS is an 6. Now taking cross product, it will become 12 into QT is equal to 6 into 6. Therefore QT is equal to 6 into 6 upon 12. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore QT is equal to 3 units. Now example number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC and AD and BC, they are parallel. Then find the area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Now here draw DQ perpendicular to BC. DQ perpendicular to BC. Therefore here AD is parallel to BC. Therefore AP is equal to DQ. Reason, distance between two parallel lines, that we are taking it as an equation number 1. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to AP upon DQ. That is, triangle having same base, which is equal to, now AP is equal to DQ, therefore AP upon AP, that is AP get cancelled, which is equal to 1. That is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1. Therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. Now example number 5th. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then find the following ratios. First one, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. That we are going to see it first one now. Area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Now in area of triangle PQB, BQ is in a base and PQ is in a height. In the triangle PBC, BC is in a base and PQ is in a height. That means height is equal. So here we can write that BQ upon BC. Reason triangle having equal height. This is the first one. Second ratio, that is area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle PBC, BC is in a base, PQ is in a height. Now in triangle ABC, BC is in a base, AD is in a height. Base BC is the same for both the triangle. So PQ upon AD. Triangle having equal base. Now third one. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Now here ABC, BC is in a base, AD is in a height. In triangle ADC, AD is in a height and DC is in a base. Height is the same, that is equal height is there. So base upon base, that is for the triangle ABC, that is BC is in a base, and for the triangle ADC, DC is in a base. Triangle having equal height. Now fourth one, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equal to ADC, DC is the base, AD is in height. For the triangle PQC, QC is in a base and PQ is in a height. Both the base and height are different. So we can write here for the triangle ADC, that is DC into AD, and for the triangle PQC we can write that is QC into PQ. That is ratio of area of triangles is equal to their product of its base and its corresponding height.